If you've ever made a mistake while editing and needed to go back in Photopea, this video is going to help you reverse your last action the fast and easy way. Whether you want to undo a mistake, step backward through your edits, or jump back to an earlier point in your project, Photopea gives you a few simple ways to do it. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to reverse in Photopea so you can fix errors without stressing about starting over. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this one. Let's get into it. The first and fastest way to reverse an action in Photopea is by using the keyboard shortcut. If you're on a Mac, press Command and Z. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and Z. This will undo your last action. And the great thing is, you can press it more than once to keep stepping backward through your edits one by one. So if you added the wrong layer, erased something by accident, or made a change you no longer want, just keep tapping that shortcut until you get back to the version you need. Now, if you've already undone something and want to bring it back, Photopea also lets you redo the change. On a Mac, use Command-Shift and Z at the On Windows, use Ctrl, Shift, and Z. This is basically the reverse of undo, and it's really helpful if you stepped back one too far or changed your mind about restoring something. So remember, undo takes you backward and redo takes you forward again. Another very useful option is the history panel. If you want more control over the editing process, go up to the top menu, click Window, and then choose History. This opens a list of your recent actions and saved spheres. From there, you can click on any earlier step to instantly jump back to that point in your edit. This is especially useful if you made several changes and want to return to a specific stage instead of pressing undo over and over. The history panel is one of the easiest ways to manage mistakes in Photopea because it gives you a visual timeline of what you've done. So if you're experimenting with tools, trying different effects, or learning how Photopea works, you can always use history to reverse back to a safer point. Just keep in mind that once you move to a different history state and continue editing, some later steps may no longer be available. So to quickly recap, if you want to reverse in Photopea, use Command or Ctrl plus Z to undo, use Command or Ctrl plus Shift plus Z to redo, and use Window, then History, if you want to jump directly to an earlier step. These three methods give you a simple and reliable way to fix mistakes and work faster. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.